Where does the name for Talacre come from? So today I'm in Talacre. It's a small village just on the far north of mainland Wales in Flintshire, and it's quite a popular tourist destination. The name's made of two parts. First we have Tal, which means the end something, the end of something, and then we have Acre. Now Acre is the local dialect version of Acrai, which means acres. It's the plural of Acer, which means acre, and was borrowed into Welsh from Middle English, back when they pronounced it Acer or Acer as well. So Talacre literally means the acres at the end. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my description. Diolch, thank you.